What's happening, guys? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Welcome back to the channel, Robbie 4Wheel. And today, guys, I want to take the time to show you the new look of my 2010 Honda Accord Coupe. I did tell you guys I just bought this. I sold my Mercedes-Benz C300, and I got to get back to Honda Accord. I love the Honda Accord. I've got the 2008 8 Gen V6 3.5 6-speed. I had it about 2 years ago. I sold it and bought my Mercedes-Benz, and I was not really liking it much. The car is a beautiful car, but guys, I'm a Honda guy. It's in my blood, so I went back and bought me a Honda Accord, and this is the 2010. It's the 8th generation, guys, and I'm hoping you guys like it. So what I did was, when I got the car, the bumper, it's got a couple of rust spots on there. The bumper's got a dent in there and also a hole in there, and also it didn't have the HFP Body Kit on there. So what I did, guys, I went out and I purchased the HFP Body Kit, got that installed in the car, got it painted. And another thing that I did, guys, which is not a surprise, I got rims for the car as well. And something else that's coming for the car is I'm getting the BC coilovers. Without further ado, I'm not going to keep you guys waiting any longer. The car's right there, so I'm going to flip the camera around now. I'll show you guys what the all the mad's all about, and you know, show you guys some future modification I'm going to get done to the car as well. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up, you know, and hey, you know, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. You know, it helps to support the channel, and at the same time, you know, help to motivate me to keep making these videos for you guys. So check it out. So this is the car, guys. First off the bat, you notice HFP Body Kit is on the car, and I had the bottom here. I wanted to have this painted black, the very bottom of it, to offset the silver, and I think that looks really, really nice. What I did was, I'm going to show you the rest of the car, guys, don't worry. What I did was also, I was telling you, I removed the trunk lip. Some people call it a little spoiler. I removed that because what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify it a little bit and get it, make it just a little bit taller, so it looks a little bit more sleek. And I think that's really going to complement the rear of the car as well, and I'm going to be painting it black. Another thing that I did as well is I painted the roof of the car black, as you guys can see, and that was a really, really good decision. Because, as you know, the car is silver. I'm sure you can see right now the car is silver, but that black really offset the silver tremendously. Okay, guys, and so this is the front of the car. Also, we got the headlights cleaned up, and there's a video on that out as well. You guys get to see that. And painted the grill here. This is painted black. He couldn't paint over the chrome, so what I did was, it took me about 2.5 hours, like no kidding, guys, to sit down and literally peel the chrome off this. Beneath this is a black, a hard black plastic, and so I bring it back down to the hard black plastic, clean off all the chrome off of it, and then he was able to get it painted, and I think it looked amazing. And also got the new Honda emblem right there. It's got a gloss black finish, nice chrome. It looks really, really nice, complement the car. I also changed the fog lights as well, because the fog lights were busted, and so I got new fog lights, and got the little covering here for the fog light painted black, which offset the chrome, the silver rather, which offset the silver. And as you can see, that is looking amazing. I really, really like it. I think it looks awesome. What do you guys think? I really like it. And so the roof right there looks amazing. So guys, check out the rims. These are the new rims I got for the car. I think they really, really complement the car, because what I want to do is I want to kind of carry through the black and chrome accent. And I think these are 18 inch as well. These are 245 40 by 18, and I really, really like them. Also, I'm sure you can see the gap between here, crazy huge. That's probably a good 3.5 inches right there. That is really, really tall. That's a big gap. That in the next few days is going to be gone, because I'm getting the BC coilovers, which I'm going to bring it down. I'm also going to get some spacers for the car as well, which is going to bring the rear of the car out, flush with the bond, with the quarter panel. I'm not going to go crazy or anything like that. Calipers are getting painted as well, which I'm going to be doing that probably today. So guys, yeah, so that's the new look of the car. What do you guys think? So the rims right now really complement the car, the black and the chrome accent, the car is silver. The black roof, the roof is wrapped black. The trunk lid is going to be wrapped black, and as you can see, the black in the front, which really complement the rest of the car, and I think it look amazing. So what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. Once it's lowered and some spacers are going to be put on there, those spacers are going to really top the car off, and it's going to be lowered, so it's going to look amazing, guys. So this is what it looks like today, and I'm hoping that you guys like it. Hope you guys like the new look. I think the black really complements the chrome. Another thing I'm going to do is I never liked down here in the front bumper, this opening right here, to me, it's just ugly. It shows exactly on the inner part of the car, which you can see right into the radiator. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to get the black grill and painted it black. That's going to get installed soon, so you guys are going to be able to see the finished look of that. And right now there's a huge gap in the front of the car, but once those BC coilover comes in, guys, it's going to get lowered all the way down, and I think it's going to really look good. It's going to really complement the car. Like I said, those headlights are amazing, and that's just me buffing them out, guys, with my hands, not any kind of buffer or anything like that, just my bare hands. I also did repainted my wiper blades as well, not blades, handle, what do you call these, the wiper arm? Yep, arm, wiper arm. And so that's what the roof of it looks like. I wanted to leave this, the guy wanted to wrap this, but I wanted to leave it silver, because when he finished wrapping the roof and he was going to do this, I was looking at it and I'm like, man, that looks really nice. He just offsets the black, and then like I said, this is going to be black as well, the lip, and that's going to really carry off the rear of the car, guys. And down at the bottom here, right here, is black, the glass black. I think it looks really nice. What do you guys think? So this is the car, this is the new look. If you guys like it, let me know. I think it looks really nice. You guys like the rims? Yeah, I think it looks nice. So let me know what you guys think. You guys already know what the interior of the car looks like, but that's what it looks like right now. I also got some emblem for the seat as well on the emblem. I think that looks really nice. I'm gonna close the door and so you guys can look at it from the outside. Looking in, I'm not sure how you can see that, but I think those look really nice. It adds kind of like a nice, elegant look to the car. Makes it look a little bit more expensive, but man, that's my dash cam right there. That's the Black VTR S900. And so yeah, so here you go, guys. There you have it. What do you think about the car? 2010 Honda Accord, Coupe 3.5 6-speed manual transmission. Beautiful car all around. Love the car. And so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hopefully you like it, and let me know in the comments below. And like I said, that's the new look, and it's only gonna get better, guys, because I'm probably gonna get the trunk lip put on today, and it's going to be painted black. It's modified. It's a little bit taller than the stock fitment. I did use the stock lip and just modified a little bit, and also it's going to be lowered on BC coilovers and with spacers in the back. So it's gonna be awesome once it's done, guys. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. On to the next video. You know the drill. Go out, do good, seek peace, and pursue it. Love one another and live. Peace.